Our 340 horsepower F-Pace 35 tons, powered by a supercharged 3.0-liter V6, turned in 16.2 miles per gallon on the city cycle and 25.4 on the highway cycle of our Real MPG fuel economy test. That under-delivers against the EPA city estimate of 18 miles per gallon, but it considerably over-delivers against the EPA highway claim of 23 miles per gallon. On the combined cycle, the gap is much smaller, 19.3 miles per gallon according to our partners at Real MPG, which is 0.7 miles per gallon off the EPA estimate of 20 miles per gallon.